Welcome to Door Components. Today I'll be taking you through the process of how we manufacture a custom hollow metal door. As you can see, behind me is the manufacturing facility where we'll take a flat sheet of metal and turn it into a custom metal door. Let's get started. Here in our manufacturing facility, the process starts with the material itself. Door Components' standard material is galvannealed. Galvannealed simply means a galvanized coating that has been annealed to make it easy to paint. We also make stainless steel doors. We carry a wide range of gauges, 18, 16, 14, 12, and 10 gauge material to accommodate any door order. After the material is specified, the manufacturing process begins. The first station in this process is shearing. All of our door skins are sheared to each job's requirements and tolerances. Once the material is sheared, it is taken to the punch press. All door preps are done by this machine, whether it's a light cutout, hinge prep, lock prep, or function hole. Every prep is accomplished by using a CNC punch press. This punch press contains 56 separate tools in its turret. This allows Door Components to prep each door for the exact needs of that opening. Now that the material has been sheared and the holes have been punched, it's time for the door to be formed. This press brake is used to form the edges of the doors. It uses two-stage forming dies in a 300-ton press brake. This assures a very tight, crisp edge to the door. Then the door moves to the spot welder. This welding process is used to attach the hinge reinforcement, lock reinforcement, and the closer reinforcement. Now that the door has been formed and the hardware reinforcements installed, it's time to insert the core. We offer many types of door cores. The three that are most frequently ordered are honeycomb, steel stiffened, and polystyrene. The honeycomb core is the standard for the hollow metal door industry and is extremely durable. The steel stiffened core is often selected for additional strength. The steel stiffeners are typically 18 or 20 gauge. However, we also offer 16, 14, 12, and 10 gauge stiffeners. Then we have the polystyrene core, which is also very durable, and it is often used where thermal barrier characteristics are required. Other core options include temperature rise, bullet resistant, and sound transmission control, or STC doors. Now that the door has been assembled, the edges must be welded together. At Door Components, our standard door has continuously welded edges. This is the strongest door edge construction method in the industry. After the welding is complete, the door is ready for finishing. This is where we grind down the edge welds and finish the seams. Then the door is given a visual inspection and the final finishing touches are applied. When the inspection is completed, the door is ready for prime paint. The industry standard for painting of hollow metal doors is a baked prime finish. This is a water-based, low VOC prime paint which meets LEED requirements and has been tested to meet ANSI spec 250-10 for prime paint. Because every door we manufacture is custom, each one comes with its own unique label. This label is used to specify where the door will be installed at the job site. The label includes the Door Component's shop order number, customer PO, opening number, handing, and the fire rating requirements. And now, as you can see, the door is complete and ready to be shipped. Today you have seen how we manufacture custom hollow metal doors. This process allows Door Components to build what you want when you want it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.